Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it in our UpdraftPlus plugin so that we can complete backups on our website. We'll do that by going to Plugins, Add New, clicking on that, and then we're going to go over to the search box in the plugins, and we're going to type in UpDraft, and we'll see it come up here in the results, and it's UpdraftPlus WordPress Backup Plugin, and we're going to click Install Now. While it's installing, it's moving the files and folders to it, opening them up, and now we can click the Activate button, which actually makes the plugin work with our website. It'll take us to the plugins page. We can get rid of this little box. It wants us to take us on a tour. And we have a couple different places we can access everything from. We have a new menu item up top. Under settings, we actually have a new menu item that is for UpdraftPlus. And so let's go up here and go to settings. In the settings, we want to make sure that our website backs up every day. And we want it to retain 10 copies of every backup. So when the 11th one goes, the oldest copy will be deleted. And we want it to do it daily, like I said. And so now every night, our website will be backed up, and it'll retain 10 copies of it. And we'll scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page where we can click Save Changes. And now that we've done that, we'll go to our Backup Restore tab, and we'll go ahead and kick off a backup. This will bring up a modal, a little lightbox window with information in it, and it's asking us, do we want to include all the files in the database? And yes, we do. We could also check that box so it would only let us delete it. It would never get deleted. And we went ahead and clicked that button, and our site is backing up. And when it's done, it'll let us know, and we can close that out. And at this point, we have a backup of both our database and our files, and we can restore them at any time we want. So that concludes our backup plugin.